Did you know that over 40% of travelers pay for extra baggage fees every year? That's billions of dollars spent just because they didn't know how to pack smarter. But what if I told you that you could avoid those fees and fit everything you need into a carry-on? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to reveal the packing hacks airlines don't want you to know. You'll learn how to save space, cut down on baggage fees, and travel light without leaving anything behind. Stick around as we unlock the secrets to packing like a pro, with tips that will blow your mind. Get ready to travel smarter and save big. Chapter 1. The Ultimate Space Saver. How to pack like a Tetris pro. Packing is like playing a game of Tetris. Sometimes, you have to think creatively to make everything fit. One of the best space-saving hacks is rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Studies have shown that rolling clothes can save up to 20% more space in your suitcase. The key is to roll your clothes tightly and efficiently, leaving no air pockets. When you do it right, your clothes will also stay wrinkle-free, which is a huge plus for long trips. Another great trick is to use packing cubes. These simple, lightweight containers help you organize your items and compress your clothing to maximize space. According to packing experts, using packing cubes can reduce the amount of luggage you need by about 30%. For items like socks, underwear, or accessories, try using clear, resealable bags. This helps keep everything organized and visible, so you don't waste time searching for things. If you're really trying to save space, consider using compression bags. These bags suck out the air from your clothing, reducing its volume by up to 80%. While compression bags are great for bulky clothes like jackets or sweaters, they also work wonders for soft items like towels. Just be careful not to overpack them, as they can add weight to your luggage. Chapter 2. Dress to impress and save $. The wardrobe that packs itself. When it comes to packing, less is more. A versatile wardrobe is essential for any traveler, and it's not about bringing more clothes, it's about bringing smarter ones. Think about it. How often do you wear the same outfits over and over at home? Now, try to pack items that you can mix and match in multiple ways. This strategy is not only efficient, but it also helps you avoid excess luggage fees. One item that's worth its weight in gold is the multifunctional piece of clothing. A simple scarf can be worn as a shawl, blanket, or even a pillow on the plane. A button-up shirt can easily double as a jacket or a beach cover-up. According to travel experts, wearing items that serve double duty is one of the best ways to minimize the number of clothes you need. When it comes to shoes, the general rule is to keep it simple. Avoid packing heavy shoes, like boots, unless absolutely necessary. Instead, opt for lightweight, versatile footwear that you can wear in different settings. A pair of comfortable sneakers and a pair of sandals or flats will take you through almost any situation without the bulk. As a bonus, wear your heaviest shoes on the plane to save space in your luggage. Chapter 3. Hidden Gems. Sneaky storage tricks airlines don't tell you about. It's amazing how much hidden space there is in your luggage if you know where to look. First, consider your shoes. Don't just toss them in your bag. Stuff your socks, belts, or small toiletries inside. This trick not only maximizes space but also helps keep your shoes in shape. In fact, travelers who use shoes for storage report up to 5 extra pockets of space in their suitcase. Next, don't forget the empty spaces inside your clothing. For example, a jacket with large pockets is the perfect place to stash small items like phone chargers, keys, or even snacks. One clever traveler used the inside of their jacket's hood to store rolled-up socks and saved an extra 10% in their carry-on. Even your sunglasses case can be used as a mini storage unit for cables, jewelry, or small toiletries. Another little-known trick is to use your toiletry bag as more than just a place for lotions and potions. Pack your toiletries around fragile items like a bottle of perfume or a delicate travel mug. The bag acts as extra protection, preventing items from getting crushed or damaged. Many savvy travelers also store electronics in their toiletry bag, taking advantage of the bag's padded compartments. Don't overlook the front pockets of your luggage either. While it may seem like a convenient place for a passport, these pockets are perfect for storing your tech gadgets or last-minute items you'll need while traveling. Use a lightweight day pack or tote as your personal item, to maximize your packing space without worrying about paying for additional carry-on bags. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next packing hack. Let's get back to those packing secrets. Chapter 4. Techtastic Travel. Packing your gadgets without the chaos. Today, we all travel with gadgets, whether it's a phone, tablet, camera, or laptop. But packing these devices can get messy fast. One simple trick is to use old sunglasses cases or hard-shell pencil cases to protect small gadgets. These cases are perfect for holding charging cables, earphones, or even power banks, keeping everything organized and safe from damage. A study by the International Air Transport Association, IATA, revealed that the most common complaint from travelers about their tech is tangled cords, so this trick helps you avoid that headache. A great way to keep all your electronics in one spot is by using a tech organizer. These compact bags have dedicated slots for cables, chargers, and small gadgets, preventing them from getting tangled or damaged. Plus, they fit neatly into your carry-on without adding bulk. According to travel experts, tech organizers can reduce the risk of losing chargers by 30%, and if you've ever lost a charger at an airport, you know how important this is. For bigger gadgets like laptops or tablets, make sure to wrap them in a soft material before packing them in your bag. An old t-shirt or a microfiber cloth works well, providing extra cushioning. This way, your tech is protected from bumps or scratches during the journey. Travelers who protect their devices this way report fewer issues with damage or theft, as the softer materials help prevent impact. Another essential tip is to always pack a portable charger. According to the Consumer Technology Association, nearly 60% of travelers rely on portable chargers during their trips. These little power banks can be lifesavers when your devices run out of juice mid-flight or while you're waiting at the airport. A portable charger that holds multiple device charges can be the difference between staying connected and being stranded without your tech. Chapter 5. Airline weight limits exposed. The art of packing light, without sacrificing comfort. One of the most stressful aspects of travel is worrying about the weight limits for your luggage. The average airline allows you to check in a bag weighing 50 pounds, 23 kilograms, without paying extra fees. But how do you make sure your luggage isn't overweight without sacrificing comfort? The key is packing light while still bringing what you need. Start by eliminating items you don't really need. According to a survey by Skyscanner, 40% of travelers admit they overpack by bringing unnecessary clothing or items, just in case. Ask yourself if you really need that extra pair of shoes or that bulky jacket. Often, the weather will be milder than you expect, so opt for versatile, lightweight clothing that can be layered for warmth. Using lightweight, wrinkle-resistant clothing is another great trick to keep your luggage light. Fabrics like merino wool or nylon dry quickly and pack easily without adding weight. You can easily wear these fabrics for multiple days without needing to wash them, which cuts down on your packing list. Packing experts recommend using a capsule wardrobe approach, where you choose clothing that can be mixed and matched, ensuring you have plenty of outfit options without the extra weight. When it comes to toiletries, don't overdo it. Travel-sized bottles are a must, and you don't need to bring a full-sized shampoo bottle unless you'll be away for a long time. In fact, a 2019 study found that the average traveler uses just 30% of the items in their toiletry bag during a trip. Instead of bringing everything, pack only the essentials and consider buying some items at your destination. And here's a game changer: wear your heaviest clothes and shoes while traveling. This can save you several pounds of weight in your checked luggage. You can always remove a jacket or scarf once you're seated on the plane. By thinking strategically about what you wear, you can easily shave off some weight from your luggage, and your carry-on will have more room for the essentials. Chapter 6. The Ultimate Secret Weapon. Hacks for carry-ons that beat the system. While checking in a bag might seem convenient, it often leads to added fees and potential delays. So, what's the alternative? Mastering the art of the carry-on. Airlines typically allow a personal item and a small carry-on, and with the right approach, you can pack everything you need into these bags without paying for checked luggage. The first step is to pick the right size bag. Many airlines have strict size limits for carry-ons, but if you know the dimensions of your airline's carry-on policy, you can find a bag that fits perfectly. According to a study by the Bureau of Transportation Statistics, The average carry-on size is 22 by 14 by 9 inches, and most airlines follow this rule. Find a bag that maximizes this space to avoid any surprises at the gate. Next, use your personal item wisely. This can be a small backpack, a tote, or a large purse, and it can hold your essential items like your phone, charger, passport, and snacks. What most people don't realize is that personal items can often be much larger than we think. In fact, many travelers have been able to carry small laptops, books, and even a light jacket in their personal item, all while staying under the weight limits. Don't forget to use your bag's outer pockets. Many travelers overlook the extra compartments available on their carry-on. These pockets are perfect for stashing things you need quick access to, such as travel documents, snacks, or headphones. By keeping these items within easy reach, you can avoid digging through your bag during security checks or on the plane. One carry-on hack that few people know about is how to use your backpack or personal item to pack your liquids and toiletries. Airlines allow you to bring liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, but it's much easier to organize them in a clear, resealable bag tucked in your personal item. This keeps your liquids easily accessible and prevents unnecessary delays at security checkpoints. Finally, consider using a travel-friendly duffel bag instead of a hard-shell suitcase. Duffel bags are lightweight, flexible, and usually conform to the airline's carry-on size. Some travel experts claim that a duffel bag gives you more freedom to squeeze in extra items, and it's much easier to maneuver in tight spaces like overhead bins or crowded aisles. If you're enjoying these hacks, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome travel tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a hack. Let's make your next trip stress-free and budget-friendly.